This is the Janome 2212. It's a great machine for a starter sewer. The stitches are clearly visible on the front of the machine, and you simply turn the dial to the letter for the stitch that you want. 2212 has a 4-step buttonhole, extra high lift to get thick layers of fabric under your presser foot, and a free arm. The stitches are clearly visible on the front of the machine. They're lettered to make it simple to choose them from the Selector dial.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.